Hello everyone, welcome to Recipe Dips. Today we're going to bake the best fudgy brownies. For that, let's begin by chopping our dark chocolate. Make sure that you get the best dark chocolate. I have chopped 1 cup of dark chocolate. Now let's melt the chocolate using half cup oil. Melt it on low flame. Now our chocolate is completely melted and let it cool down. Now to a bowl add 1 cup granulated sugar. We will be adding 2 eggs, one at a time. You can get it straight from the refrigerator. Beating the eggs with the sugar is the most important step while baking brownies. It incorporates air in the batter which helps you to get a fudgy and soft brownies. Add a second egg. Add a quarter tablespoon of coffee. It helps to enhance the flavor of chocolate. It's completely optional. Now pour our melted chocolate. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Combine it gently. Now pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now our batter is ready. Line our baking tin with butter paper and grease it with some oil. Now bake it in an oven which is preheated at 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Increase the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes using the 2 rods with convention. Now our brownie is out of the oven and let it cool down. When it's completely cooked, cut it. Our brownies are super fudgy inside. Do try this simple brownie recipe and let me know your comments. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.